Well, look, I got the trailer out. Remember that flat tire that blew out? I went and got it replaced, and I put the aluminum wheel on. One thing here that some people don't know, these inner nuts are longer for aluminum rim, because you see how thick aluminum rim is? Look how thin the steel wheel. So these are shorter, but I got enough to do both sides. I only did the one because it was late. I got to clean up the other rims. These are a 9R22.5. This is a 255 70R22.5. It's hard to tell in the picture, but it's a little bit shorter, which is good in a way because easier to ramps get in and out. But if you look, it's wider compared to the 900 or the 9R. It's hard to see, but they stick out just a little more, but that's all right. I haven't done anything else, unfortunately. I know you're all waiting. I want to get rid of this door. Somebody suggested just taking the hardware off and welding the door. I guess that'll work. But I want to put a window. I know it's a tribute replica. Just keep that in mind, because people are going to tell me it's not accurate, not correct. I'm keeping that belly box. I've got to put the doors back on. Yeah, it looked better with the other one on there. Even got a plate, so it's legal. Look how nasty and dirty this thing is. It's filthy. I need to take the General and hook up and take it for a short ride up to truck wash. I gotta put some lights up here. I need to silicone this, keep water out. It did good today. But anyway, that's all. Short update, not much. It's one wheel, one tire. Hey, slowly but surely, right?